converting from decimal to hexadecimal. We'll begin by looking at the example of decimal number 85, and what we want to do is break this down into multiples of powers of 16 because hexadecimal has a base of 16. So just to recap, 16 to the power of 0 is 1, 16 to the power of 1 is 16, 16 to the power of 2 is 256, 16 to the power of 3 is 4096, and we'll need to know this because we'll be considering the place value of our hexadecimal number in just a moment. Now what we want to do is decompose, so we want to know what is the largest power of 16 that is less than or equal to 85, so it's this one, because 256 would be too big. And therefore we want to know how many times does 16 go into the number 85. Well, it goes into 85 at least 5 times, because 5 times 16 is 80, and it gives us a remainder of 5. So now in terms of our place value, we've got 2 hexadecimal digits. This is our units column, and this is our 16s column. So we can see from here that we've got 5 lots of 16s, so we're going to put a 5 here, and we've got 5 lots of 1s from our remainder, so we're going to put a 5 here. Therefore 85 in decimal is 55 in hexadecimal. Let's look at another example, this time 74. Once again, let's just recap on the powers here. 16 to the power of 0 is 1, 16 to the power of 1 is 16, 16 to the power of 2 is 256, and so on. So we want to look, in this case, at what is the largest power of 16 that is less than or equal to 74. Once again, it's 16 because 256 is too big. So how many times does 16 go into 74? Goes in at least 4 times, because 4 times 16 is 64, and that gives us a remainder of 10. So in this example, we've got 4 lots of 16s, and we've got 10 units. Okay, so we know that 10 in hexadecimal is A, and we've got a 4 here, so therefore 74 in decimal is 4A in hexadecimal.